You got clutch.
What's going on, people? It's your main man, Johnny Clutch Cards, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto. And I wanted to do a video to kind of cover VaporNodes. I got a lot of questions in the comments from people who were either invested or people who didn't know what it was exactly. And I wanted to do a video that kind of dived into what VaporNodes actually is, right? So similar to some of the other node bearing or DeFi node projects, VaporNodes, as described here in their introduction, is a protocol. Information file project. All right, so VaporNodes aims to provide everyone with the opportunity to participate in decentralized finance. We took the inspiration from industry leaders in the booming DeFi yield space to create our own innovation of Nodes protocol. Okay, we will provide a long-term sustainable environment that incentivizes long-term investments. Yield will be formed and redistributed in equal proportion to your nodes relative to how much VPND is within them. Fixed rates are not guaranteed, as these may change over time with the industry conditions to ensure health of the protocol. However, all yield will always be distributed back across these nodes, acting as yield baskets, which create a lifetime source of passive income. For each node you purchase, you will receive daily rewards in the form of VPND. VaporNodes acts as a yield basket where rewards are paid out to you as a function of the reward pool. The reward pool will be sourced from a variety of yield form services and investor injections. In order to make VaporNodes affordable to everyone, we have created a flexible node system. The minimum amount needed to create a node is 25,000 VPND, and there is no maximum, right? So I think it's 25,000. I think that has reduced, but I have to double check that. So in effect, the community will follow decentralized governance models as a DAO and decide how the treasury funds are invested and where the development team should focus their time to innovate and build the sustainability of the protocol and the product itself. For every VPND you put into a node, you will be granted a vote. All proposals will be done in snapshot. All right. So this talks about the rewards and basically goes over, you get 1% daily, and you can claim your rewards up to every minute if you like. So, because it updates every minute, so you can click it and claim that reward every minute if you like, or you can let it go. Then down here it talks about the boost. If you have not claimed rewards for 3 days, you will get a 1.05 boost. So it goes from 1 to 1.05. If you have not claimed rewards for 7 days, you will get a 1.2 boost, right? And if you have not claimed rewards for 15 days, you will get a 1.4 boost, right? So, as you can see, there's 3 levels to it, to the diamond hands boost. And 3 days, 7 days, 15 days. And those are pretty explanatory. Then this talks about the distribution system, where 10% is for the team pool, half of which goes to marketing, and then the other half is distributed to the team. It doesn't go into specifics, so maybe I can see if he's answered this question, the owner or the dev, as far as that 5% distributed to the team. Is it in what increments is it distributed? Is it like 5% daily, like our current our rewards are paid, or is it 5% monthly, and then there's a snapshot of how much is in there today versus how much is in there next month, and then the difference. That 5% of the difference is, or basically just how that works, right? In essence. So, and then 10% to a VPND avax liquidity pool. I believe that's probably on TraderJoe. And then 80% for rewards pool, from which 30% is used for building up the treasury. Additionally, there's a 10% claims tax. So keep that in mind. as you build up rewards, whenever you decide to collect, 10% is going to function as a claim tax that will be filtered back into the treasury as well. So here are some of the investments that they currently have already. From January 2nd, there are 4 investments here: 11 strong nodes for 65,000, 311 CVX for 12 grand, 3.38 time for 66, basically 7,000 roughly, 1,100 sushi for 75.96. And then on 114, there was an Avalanche validator node purchased as well. And they listed, these are the actual transactions that they listed. Now, keep in mind, I think, that it might be like roughly 90 million under contract right now. And this is just a small portion of that 90 million that's actually in these various investments. All right. So this talks about how you can buy VPND. I think I covered that on an earlier video. So please go and see my first VaporNodes video, and it'll tell you basically how to use MetaMask to purchase, get you some Avalanche into your MetaMask, and then take your Avalanche and convert it to VPND. And that's pretty much it. Let's go back here to the dashboard here, and this talks about the total running nodes, which is 13,000, and the minimum node price, like I said, the price has dropped to 15,000, where that one was talking about 25,000. So keep those things in mind, and that's just kind of like an overview of the project. This kind of functions like an investment fund, but there's some say from the community as well. The dev and the owner have been very, very open, very, very transparent thus far. We'll see how everything goes. And if this video is helpful to you, please feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share. Leave me a comment down below on what things I could improve or fix, or if you have additional questions, and let me know. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is one of many DeFi projects that are out there that may be similar or more similar or less similar. As always, always do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. That's why we're at 50 bucks. And we're doing just fine. So if this was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I'm your main man, Johnny Clutch Cords, aka Johnny Clutch Crypto. I'm always for the people, by the people. You only got me and the Constitution. Remember that.